Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F5 Pro and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all we have to open our contact list, of course, and find the contact we'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's pick this edit icon, so the pencil icon, and tap on add photo. And as you can see, we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, or if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. And I will pick this option maybe. As you can see, we have to decide where we want to complete the section, so I will pick the gallery, and I forgot that I do not have any photos. So let's maybe take a photo. Let me open the camera and let's take a photo of this. Alright, we've got it, so let's confirm it. Okay, of course, allow, tap on OK, and as you can see, and this is the step which will also appear whenever you will pick a photo from the gallery, so no worries. And here from the step we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, we can also make this highlighted square smaller or bigger, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. You can also rotate the picture, up to you, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on save copy. As you can see, it will appear right here, so remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like. You will be able to see it on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.